What's up, loves? It's your favorite wig reviewer back, and I'm here with another video. And this wig is from Klaiyi Hair, and this is all the goodies that came in the bag. So I was super shocked to see we had a little blue Tiffany color box, and I'm too thirsty to open it. I opened it. It was a cute little necklace, so thank you guys. And it came with wig caps, just like all those little goodies, edge brushes and whatnot. So the specs on this wig is that it is a 26-inch 5x5 straight lace closure wig. I'm so used to dyeing all my wigs jet black that I was kind of in the mood for the natural brown color. So I didn't add any color to this. The color that you see is the color that it comes, and it does give it a different look. I'm loving it. The hair was super soft, and I bleached the knots and plucked the closure off camera, just so you know. And I'm using my 1-inch wand because I want to give it some loose wave kind of thing. Kind of like curls, but more so like waves. I wanted to give it that loose kind of look. Did pin curl them until they were fully cool. After they were completely cool, I took the clips out, and this is just to make sure that the curls were gonna last a little, like basically all day. And by the end of the day, they were the perfect curl and perfect staggered, effortless curl look that I was going for. Once all your pin curls are out and the curls are completely cooled down, you just want to take a wide tooth comb or a wig brush. I would rather a comb because the brush can kind of make the curls frizzy sometimes. And I'm just going to run the comb straight through the curls, and I'm not even going to over comb them. Really just 1 or 2 good rakes through the hair. And look how shiny this hair is. I'm obsessed, y'all. She's styled. Now it's time for her to be installed, and I like to style my wigs off of my head just because I feel like I can style it better. But like, this is how the curls came out. Nice, full, loose, and effortless. So pretty. I love it. Since this is a closure wig, it didn't take much for me to install her, so I'm just going to clip the front of it back, cut the lace, and literally spray her down. This was probably, aside from the styling aspect, this was like a 5-minute install. Found these cute little clips at my beauty supply, It didn't match anything that I had on, so I ended up taking them out, but I can't wait to wear them because I love little cute stuff like this. But after that, the wig styled and everything was done. Believe it or not, I still have this same wig on. Y'all know I changed my hair so much. So that just goes to show you the quality of this hair. It's bomb. You can just even see it in the video. It's super soft, flowy, shiny. And, you know, it's not doing too much. So if you wanted to try this wig out, everything on her is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you to Klaiyi for working with me. And I'll see you guys in my next one.